My healthy lifestyle. I try to stay healthy every day. I know that I should eat vegetables and fruit because they give me energy and vitamins. I should also drink a lot of water and sleep at least 8 hours every night. I should not eat too much junk food or drink too many sodas because they are bad for my body. I should not stay up late using my phone because it makes me feel tired the next day. I can go for a walk or exercise to keep my body strong and my mind relaxed. I can also spend time with my family and friends to feel happy and reduce stress. I cannot smoke or drink alcohol because those things can hurt my health. I cannot forget to take care of myself every day if I want to live a healthy life.